We are continuing with the mass spectrometry. We will connect the point where we left yesterday. I'll give you a quick revision what we learned about this. In mass spectrometry, we learned that how to read, analyze, and use the mass spectrum. The mass spectrum is plot against the relative abundance plotted against the M over E value, right? So it's a mass spectrum. This is the relative abundance. This is M over E value, right? So this is the main idea behind the spectrum. Then I told you that there are the lines in this spectrum. For example, here, which are known as peaks. The heights of the peaks I'm just drawing randomly. And then, for example, here. And then, for example, here. And then, for example, here. These are the peaks in the mass spectrum, right? And then I told you that there are the two regions in the mass spectrum. The one region here, which is the at the x-axis, if you look at the end of the x-axis. So this is the region which is the end of the x-axis, right? For example, here, look at this. For example, in this region, this is, let's say, 64, no, 108. This is 110, and in between is 109. And this region is actually the molecular ion region. And the region below this, for example, if this is 15, let's say 29. So this is a different. So these are the two different regions in this spectrum. इधर जो आगे वाले में peaks होती हैं, they're known as molecular ion peaks, M+1, M+2, और जो पीछे हैं वो peaks due to fragments होते हैं, right? अब अगर हम इनको लेबल करें तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा इनमें से M peak कौन सी है? 108 is the M peak, okay? Or there's a positive sign. I'll explain today how the peaks are formed, then you will understand what are the positive signs. Then we said this is M+1 peak.